So you have to integrate this one. So try to integrate, you have secant square of x by, it is root of tan square of x plus 4. Secant square of x divided by root of tan square x plus 4. So let's try to integrate this one. So if I try to integrate, it is I is equals to integral of secant square of x divided by tan square of x plus 4 times of dx. So the substitution here in the denominator is you have to put the value of tan x to be t. The reason why I'm taking tan x to be t is I know the differentiation of tan will give you secant square. The differentiate will be getting secant square of x into dx will be equals to dt. So if you just try to plug in this value back there in the given integral, I'll be getting integral of secant square of x. Secant square of x into dx is nothing but dt divided by this tan value has now become t, so t square plus 4. So can write 4 as 2 square. So now I got the formula where it is in the form of x square plus a square. So we know this formula. It is integral of dx by x square plus a square will be equals to what? The first formula that I have given you, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So let's just try to plug in. I is equals to, we'll be getting 1 by a. So what is the value of a in this case? So this will be acting as your a value. So a is 2. And this will be acting as your x value. X is equals to t. So in place of x you put t. In place of a you will put as 2. So now the formula will become 1 by a value is 2. Tan inverse of x value is t divided by a value is 2. But what is the value of t I have taken here? The substitution. So tan x is equals to t. Therefore, the value of t will be tan x. So we have 1 by 2 times of tan inverse of tan x by 2 plus the constant of integration c. That will be the required solution.